This guide will show you how to automate chopped tomatoes in PlateUp. To make chopped tomatoes, you will need a mixer and at least one smart grabber. A regular grabber will wait until the mixer turns the tomato fully into tomato sauce before pulling it out. Hence, the smart grabber is needed to remove the chopped tomato from the mixer before it can become tomato sauce. To deal with any unwanted tomato sauce, you can use a compactor bin. However, if you only use a single compactor bin, chopped tomato production may stall, waiting for the excess tomato sauce to be trashed. To deal with this, you can add a prep station to buffer chopped tomatoes to use if the system is stalled on tomato sauce. Or to ensure you never have to wait for the tomato sauce to be trashed, use 3 compactor bins with the basic mixer, or 4 compactor bins with the rapid mixer, as shown on the right. This is the number of compactor bins you have to use only in the worst-case scenario to always guarantee a chopped tomato will be available. Realistically, since you are using up some of the chopped tomatoes, they will not all be turned into sauce, so you can get away with using fewer compactor bins. The other way to automate chopped tomatoes is using a grabber loop. The grabber loop will keep cycling the chopped tomatoes in and out of the mixer, preventing any from being turned into tomato sauce. And because of the way the grabbers are set up here, no new raw tomatoes can enter the loop until a chopped tomato is used. But grabbers in PlateUp are fickle things. Notice how the loop on the top right has 2 tomatoes in it, but the loop on the left has 3, even with the same grabber setup. With 3 tomatoes in the loop, there is a small chance of a tomato sauce being made in the mixer, if a chopped tomato is pulled out at the wrong time. But by switching out the rotating grabber with a straight grabber, we can reduce the chance of it happening. Notice how the chopped tomato is now being pulled out almost instantly, instead of filling up the chopping progress bar halfway like it was before, greatly reducing the chances that a sauce is accidentally made. Which grabbers you choose to set up the loop with does matter. If you want to be 100% safe, include a compactor bin, like I did in this conveyor mixer setup. You never know when a grabber is going to decide to misbehave. So it is a good idea to include the bin if you put the setup somewhere where you cannot manually clear the sauce out of the mixer, if it does happen. Still, the grabber looped method is my preferred way to chop a tomato. Either way you choose to automate chopped tomatoes, I hope you found this guide useful. Leave a like on the video if it helped you out, and please subscribe if you want to see more PlateUp food automation guides like this one.